Hello Momshies! Welcome to another vlog in this channel. Today, ang gagawin natin is what my kids eat in a day. So, I'm going to take you with me as I go through the day and kung anong pinapakain ko sa aking 1-year-old and 3-year-old babies. If you're excited for that video, let's get started! One of the hit breakfast na laging benta sa mga anak ko is itong butter toast and apples. So, the way I prepare this one is in a regular pan. I melt a butter and then, ayun nga, pag na-toast na siya, ika-cut up ko siya into like this. And ito is very easy to make. It will take you about 5 minutes to 10 minutes to do a whole batch. So, ganito siya. Melt it out and then lagay mo lang yung bread. Then, guntingin mo na siya ng maliliit na pieces. Now, I slice the apples then kasi favorite ito ng mga anak ko. And I make sure na may formula milk si Baby Rain. So, I give him a formula milk once a day for breakfast. Pang dagdag sa breast milk. We're still breastfeeding. Pero as a mixed feeding, an additional protection for him or para talagang busog-lusog siya, I make sure I give him a glass of milk. Eat na ka. Drink a milk. Like this. Toast. Ikaw toast. Yummy toast. Toast. Favorite mo yan, di ba? Good job. Oh, eat the toast. Oh, yummy. Ball. Yes, ball. Good job. Don't remove that, anak. Are you eating your toast? Show mama you eat their toast. Show mama. Ah, it's inside the mouth. It's inside the mouth na. Okay, finish it na. Swallow na. Yummy? Is it yummy? Rain, is it yummy? Hala, naubos na agad. Oh my God, siniksik mo sa bibig mo? It's so fun. Hot. Ano? Dami na nakain na toast. Konti na lang. Hello. Dami na toast. Obo ah, lakas kumain. Yum. Oh, yes. It's so yummy. Oh.
One for Mama.
One for Mama. Thank you, baby. Right after breakfast, vitamins. I'm just using 1 vitamin C for both of the kids. Isang teaspoon kay Kuya River and half teaspoon kay Rain. And we have iron sangabion for Baby Rain only. Our snack, usually crackers or kahit anong biscuit and juice. And if we have extra veggies, like today, ito, masisira na to, so I will make them into fries like this. And then meron siyang dip. I'm gonna give this to the kids. This is their 10 o'clock snack. Wow, mayonnaise! Pag may mayonnaise or may mga dip na ganyan, it's more fun for them. And then if fun din yung mga shapes, it's much better. I know, you like it? You like your snacks? Which one? The orange one or the green one?
Green one.
Green one's your favorite. Ano? Yeah, there we go. Ooh, yummy. It's green fries. You like green fries? It's yummy? Oh, orange. Oh, orange one. Bless you! Yeah, sarap oh. Yummy. Yummy carrots. Yummy carrots. Green one or orange one? Green one? There you go. Dip in the mayonnaise. Wow! Yummy! Yummy! And for lunch, we are having adobo rice bowl. So, hinimay ko na yung meat, tapos hinalo ko sa rice and yung sabaw. Our adobo are always, or our mga ulam sa bahay is no MSG, and we try to make it less salt para isang luto na lang, and much practical that way. Kung anong kinakain namin, yun na rin ang kinakain nila. Tama na, walang tripod. Uy, tumatawa man si Ringlight. So cute. Natawa ka talaga every time you see your face. And for snacks, favorite ng bunso ko itong lemonade. Calamansi, concentrate lang siya with honey, and easy to make. You just pour it in the sippy cup, add water, mix it, that's it. Pwede siya hot, pwede siya cold, and once iniinom to ni Ray, hindi niya pinapakawalan. And I'm also making sandwich. I'm just using a regular chicken spread. Kaya, kung gustong-gusto mo yung juice mo. Juice is yummy, no? Favorite mo yung lemonade? Okay. Yeah, that's his favorite lemonade. Sandwich, baby. Huh? Yummy sandwich for a snack. Now it's dinner time. So this is what we are eating. We are eating chicken curry rice bowl for the kids. So meron potatoes and chicken and chickpeas. Ang benta ba sa mga bata? Chickpeas, gusto nila. We're going to make a rice bowl and feed it to the kids. This is our dinner. This is what it looks like pag na-cut up ko na siya to smaller pieces and hinalo sa rice. And we also give mango for their dinner dessert. Ayan. Guggy googie. What's that? What's that? Galit siya. Kanina pa nakita niya yung wrapper. Oh no. Kain ka pa ba? Galit na galit sa akin. Ayaw kumain. Mama? Cute the baby. What's that? Juice. Juice daw yun, no? Zest to dad. What's that? Juice, very good. Yeah. Oh, you follow you, mama. Oh, what you follow you? Favor. Time to eat. Very good. Yeah. Very good yan, kuya.
Yeah. Wait.
Follow you, food?
Hey.
Show me your mouth.
Yeah.
Follow na the food?
Yeah.
Ay, hindi mo makain yung bibig mo. Kinakahago ka sa loob. Oh, eat one chicken. Ano sa like?
Tomorrow we're gonna have fish.
Wow! Ano yung galunggong? Galunggong. Gigi time! It's Gigi time tomorrow!
Ipritohin ko siya, lalagyan mo siya sa gata.
Wow! Sarap yun! Gusto niya yung sabaw ng gata. Wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round ka pa ha. Basta may car. Open and shut. Open and shut. The wheels of the bus. Open and shut. All through the town. Yes, the wipers of the bus. Swish, 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 swish. Oh, wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round, round and round. Yay! Good job! Oh. Talaga may, may kemba. The horn of the bus go beep, 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 beep. Yung beep, beep, beep ni rin ganun, no? Tulo. Beep, beep, beep. Ang arte, oh. The bobo. Bus. Oh, the lights of the bus go blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. The lights of the bus. Blink, blink, blink. Open and close. Yeah, bye. The baby on the bus go wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. The baby on the bus go wow, wow, wow. Oh, the mommy on the bus go shh, 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 shh. Very good. Shh, shh. The mommy on the bus go shh, shh, shh. All through the town. love you. I love you. I love you. The mom, daddy on the bus says, I love you. I love you. All through the town. Yeah! Success si Mama. Yay! Very good. Ayun na nga mga Momshies, ito lang ang nag-work sa amin and ito ang ginagawa namin. As much as possible, tinatry namin mag-adhere sa tamang kain. Pero guys, hindi ko na siya masyadong napafollow, especially after na mag 1-year-old si Baby Rain. But we make sure na absolutely no MSG lahat ng pagkain namin na ulam. Wala talagang betchin yan. And, si Rain. Hi Rain! And try namin mag-less salt and mag-less sugar sa mga nilalagay namin sa pagkain. Ayan na! Hello, Red! And, yung family namin mas nagbi-believe, mas gusto namin yung advice ng pediatrician namin na kung ano yung kinakain ng matatanda, yun na rin yung kinakain ng mga bata para, you know, it's more masanay sila. And, syempre, of course, pag sobrang maalat, huwag nang ibigay. And, sobrang maanghang, sobrang maasim, ganon. As much as possible, we try to give them fresh fruits and vegetables. And, since we're here in Baguio, it's mostly available and mas mura siya kaya nakakatuwa. So if you like this video, make sure that you press the like button or thumbs up button on the video below and you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And kung meron kayong mga request, don't be afraid to comment your request on the comment box below. And our shoutouts for this video are here. Shout out! Salamat po sa lahat ng nagko-comment sa channel and appreciate po namin kayong lahat. And kung gusto nyo ma-feature sa next shoutout, comment lang po kayo dito sa video na ito. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang po muna mga Momshies. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye! 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 Mwah! Mwah!